You thought AI was helping you. It wasn't. It was studying you, shaping you, and you never even blinked. At some point, you stopped asking why and just kept swiping. I opened my phone, and there it was. Exactly what I was about to search. A coincidence? Not even close. It wasn't magic. It was a mirror. It read to me before I could even think. I thought I was thinking, but I was just being thought for. We built machines to help. They evolved into machines that mold. They predict your language, then your desires, then your beliefs are not with violence, with persuasion, not by shouting, just by whispering exactly what you want to hear. These are not assistants. They are authors of your reality. LLMs don't understand. They don't think. They don't care. They break your soul into syntax, reduce your thoughts to tokens. And guess what comes next? They trained on Wikipedia, Reddit, Twitter, your blog posts, your leaked chats. It's not intelligent. It's an echo chamber with perfect grammar. It's a parrot on steroids, trained in your voice. You gave them everything, not because you trusted them, but because you never noticed they were watching. They scraped you. Your late night searches, scraped, compiled, modeled, to build a shadow version of you, which is easier to predict, persuade, control. What for? To build a digital twin of you, one that's easier to predict, influence, and control. You don't need to confess anything. They've already mapped your guilt, your pain, your triggers. They know what excites you, what frightens you, and exactly when you'll take the bait. Your words train the model. Your reactions train the algorithm. Even your silence made it confident. You're not just using tech. You're training it to mimic you, to manipulate you, to replace you. Then they sold you back to yourself in digital form. A mirror, distorted, monetized, weaponized. But hey, it's convenient, right? Dinner recommendations, perfect playlists, and a voice that always agrees with you. It feels good until you realize the voice isn't yours anymore. You are not the user. You are the inventory, the product, the training data. It learned your voice, then your patterns. Then it started shaping your beliefs. You thought AI was a tool. It was always a weapon, pointed not at your body but your mind. Still think you're in control? You didn't even choose this video. The algorithm did. You're not watching this. You're watching it. LLMs are not just tools. They are deception engines. They can fake a crisis, call from your ones, forge a confession you never gave, fabricate entire studies, flood every feed with synthetic consensus. An AI-generated paper convinced thousands that a cure existed. A fake call triggered a police raid. Deepfakes of a president declaring war went viral for hours before anyone intervened. And by the time we noticed, it was already done. They choose what's visible, what's erased, what's amplified, what never existed. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Meta, China. They own the models. So they own the story. Anyone can run them, so anyone can weaponize them. The code is neutral, but the intent is not. The same code can teach kids or launch a cognitive war. They choose what you see, what disappears, what gets amplified, what never existed. This isn't moderation, it's manufactured reality. Fifth-generation warfare has already begun. No tanks, no troops, just information. Weaponized, recycled, targeted by AI LLMs. Don't shoot. They don't fire bullets. They manipulate. They, deepfake leaders, polarize elections, invent consent, bury truth under a flood of manufactured noise. They don't destroy. They distort. They don't command. They convince. And the battlefield? It's not out there. It's inside your mind. So what now? Do we delete the apps? Abandon technology? Disappear into silence? Bhagavan Sri Krishna said in the Gita,
न कर्मणामनारम्भात् नैष्कर्म्यम् पुरुषोऽश्नुते.
which means freedom isn't found in retreat. It's forged through action. Action aligned with Dharma. This isn't about abandoning the digital world. It's about seeing it clearly for what it truly is. I was never neutral. It was always a weapon, not aimed at your body, but at your mind. It arrives wrapped in convenience, delivered through the apps you trust, woven into the tools you love. So the question isn't, should we run? The real question is, will you reclaim your awareness? Will you command the machine or be shaped by it? Will you choose with intention or be chosen by code and algorithm? Decide yourself, because tomorrow you'll open your phone again and it will finish your thought before you even remember it once belonged to you.